I just got Duncan inside. Actually, not only did I get Duncan inside, I actually got Birdie and Zebra to purr for me. Zebra has missed his friend. Look at him. He wants to love all over Duncan. And Duncan's like, I don't know what in the hell happened to me. Once I was outside, and a minute later, I'm in this little room. It's okay, Duncan. Look at my zebra. Look at him. Hey, baby boy. Hey, honey. Yeah. Now hit a birdie. It's okay. Duncan's like, I'm going where my friend's going. Look at that, I broke 2 of my fingernails. Getting Duncan in this house. He don't look it, but he weighs a freaking ton. That's my birdie. Yes. That's my birdie. That's my birdie bird. Let me get up underneath your chin, because that's what you like the best. There you go. That's my birdie. Oh, Duncan, stop your hissing. That's my birdie. Yes. Good girl. Okay. All right, where'd y'all go? There goes Zebra. He likes to get up in the sink. And there he goes. All right, Duncan. I'm not going to try to touch you till tomorrow. You're good. There's my zebra. There's my zebra. There's my boy. There's my boy. There you go. I know. You're a little jumpy. First touch. It's all right. There you go, boy. There you go. Oh, you got water all over you. My hot water thing is dripping. Yeah. Yeah, you're getting wet sitting up there. Why don't you move? Why don't you come on down here? Come back down. Yeah. It's like I'm not moving while you keep hitting me. Yeah. If you stay up here, I'll just give you a bath. Look. It's dripping. It's getting you wet. Yes. That's my zebra. Okay. Okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Well, Duncan, you don't have to run, honey. I'm not going to try and pet you till tomorrow. Yeah. But now, you be nice to Zebra. He misses you. He misses you, sweetie. Wow, he looks tiny, don't he? He ain't tiny, though. He's big. Yeah, there you go. Zebra. Honey, you're just going to keep getting wet sitting up here. Yeah, it's okay. Good boy. Yes. He's a good boy. Who just sneezed? I can't pet you like that up here, honey. You got to get down so you can stretch out. There you go. There you go. Want to get back on the pillow? Why don't you come on back on the pillow? Come on. Somebody got sick. Yeah, it's dry. That means I got sick. Probably, oh my God. I got all that hair. And there he goes. I can't believe my friend came back. Yeah. Well, hopefully, Zebra, you'll be able to calm him down. Yes. Hopefully, you'll be able to calm him down. All right. See you in a little while, Birdie. I'll see you in a little while, baby. Yeah. You're just so happy now. Duncan don't seem like he's happy to see you. Okay. All right, so we'll see you later. We'll see you later.